Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I am showing you the stuff that we bought to clean our Tesla. So for those who have not seen the video, that is episode 15 that I will link down below. We went to California to finally get a Tesla, and we are really happy about it. The husband loves driving it, and for the first time, looks like he's taking care of the car, because according to him, it's basically the most expensive car he has owned. Like, he used to have a Mustang and a Camaro at one point, and our most recent car was a Honda Fit, and he does not really take care of it. But this one, he does take good care of it, and I like seeing that change and him like trying to make it organized and clean. I really like seeing that change because I am organized and I like things neat and clean. I even told him that, when we first started dating, you always clean the car, but when we got married, or when I was already here, like, nah, it just doesn't get clean anymore. But now with the new Tesla, he's pretty neat and organized and wants to clean it. So some reviews said that the painting on the Tesla is not that great, so doing that automatic drive-through car wash is not ideal, and he really does not want to risk having scratches on it. So he was like, do you mind if we just clean it and buy stuff for it? I'm like, sure, that would be great. I mean, I don't mind. I like cleaning stuff because I'm very particular with certain things, and sometimes people don't get it the way I want to, so he doesn't really like cleaning. So for him to want to clean or wash a car is a big deal for me. So yeah, today we got this. Okay, the bucket contains all the cleaning materials that we will be using for the Tesla, or our Tesla. He named it Sonic just to keep up with its color blue, video games and stuff. And well, we watched the movie Sonic together and we kind of like it. It's the last movie we watched before the COVID-19 hit. What was the last movie you guys watched? Okay, so going back to this. This is from Chemical Guys from Los Angeles, from LA. It's pretty heavy bucket. Look, it's pretty big. It can cover my face. Okay, anyway, let's open it and see what is inside. It's my first time to see what's inside it. Okay. There you go. This is a Miracle Dryer microfiber drying towel. I don't know how much he bought the whole bucket. Maybe he'll put it right here somewhere, how much it cost. So there's a towel in there. Okay, here we have Mr. Pink. Mr. Pink says Supercharging shampoo, superior surface cleaner. Mainly it's the latest innovation in detailing shampoo technology. It is a strong, superior cleaning shampoo that delivers remarkably amazing cleaning results through a consistent release of foaming bubbles. Sounds interesting. Oh, by the way, Chemical Guys specialize in the highest quality car care chemicals, car wash accessories, buffing pads and machines. Beginners and professionals alike choose Chemical Guys not only for the finest car care products, but the world-class customer support and vast detailing knowledge. Chemical Guys is more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. With a worldwide following driven by adventure, a passion for cars, and a love for the road ahead, we welcome any and all who share this passion to become part of our family. Okay, that's the Mr. Pink. It's a Supercharging shampoo. And then we have Citrus. Okay, cleans and shines. Citrus wash and gloss. It says ultra premium citrus based hyper wash. What is the difference? I don't know. Let's read even just the first sentence. Okay, Citrus Wash and Gloss is a premium citrus-based hyper wash designed to cleanse your paintwork for a brilliant shine. So I guess this is for the shine since it has gloss, and then that other one's just for cleaning. Okay, the innovative hyper wash utilizes the natural cleaning power of citrus to break down heavy dirt, debris, and road grime. Okay, yeah, Citrus Wash and Gloss is formulated with a unique gloss enhancer that will create a vibrant shine on any color paintwork. Interesting. Let's see how well that goes. I like the colors. They're pretty colorful. Look, pink and yellow. Yellow? Yeah. They look like highlighters to me. Like, look at that. Damn, can you guys even see it? They look like highlighters. Okay. Next. This one is red. Oh, Diablo Gel Wheel Cleaner. Obviously, it's for the wheels. Reminds me of Lucifer. Are you guys watching Lucifer? Do you like it? Oh. Okay. Anyway, so it's for the wheels, obviously. I will not read that. That's okay. It's for the wheels. Okay. This is a secondary container with a spray in there. This is the wash mittens. Okay. What's special about this one? They say they are scratch-free car wash mitt, scrubs gently with hundreds of plush noodles. Holds a lot of slick soapy suds. Oh well. Okay, and then we have this. This is the After Wash. It is an advanced paintwork optical gloss enhancer and moisturizer designed to aid the drying process. The innovative paintwork drying aid provides lubrication. What are you thinking? Okay. Anyway, if you're on my wavelength, you will not get what I just laughed or cracked up in that one. But yeah, okay. So yeah, so this is the After Wash. And then I don't know what else. Okay, I don't really know the use of this one. I'm just guessing it's a red grit guard. I don't know. I never cleaned a car, so I don't know what's the use of that, or if it even has any use, or it's just there to, you know, for presentation. Maybe my husband will educate me later. Anyway, that's it for now. We'll go ahead and clean the car with all this stuff, and we'll let you know how much we like them or not. And yeah, let me know in the comment below what you think about this cleaning stuff that we got, and if you have any other suggestions, like if you wash your own car, do you have any advice to us? Because I guess both of us never really washed our own cars. Well, when I was in the Philippines, it's very cheap to get a car wash, like, you know, a person cleaning it really, and I just go there and have it serviced. But here, well, we do have those drive-through car wash, and my husband would sometimes go have the car cleaned, but we never really tried cleaning our own car. So yeah, if you have any advice, please let us know below, comment it down, and see you in a while. Hi guys, so we're here at a self car wash thing. It's my first time to go to a place like this, but yeah. So here is our Tesla. You see how dirty it is right now. I'll show you a walk around. I don't know, for some reason there's just so much dust and dirt here in Utah. I feel like compared when we were in Texas. My husband says maybe it's because basically Utah is a desert, so yeah, look at that, you know, dust, dirt all over. Yeah, it's really dirty right now, and it does need some cleaning, as you can see. Like, look at that. my God. Okay, even the top, like, look. And this is like a head. There's a lot of dandruff, you know, but yeah, so we're about to clean it. We have all this stuff right here. And we'll show you how we do that. So husband told me that the purpose of this red thing is to separate like the dirt when you are cleaning, and like right now the wet rags are down there, and then you just put on top, you know, for example this, all the cleaning stuff. So we are done cleaning it. As you can see, it's cleaner than the earlier video of me walking around it. I mean, you know, less the dust. Yeah, definitely cleaner. And so he looked around to see how much it would cost to pay someone to do this, and he said that it's gonna be like around $200 to $300. And then when he asked me before if it's okay, like, you know, we wash the car every now and then, I was like, sure, that's a good bonding activity for us. And yeah, there's a clean car. Hi guys, so we are back in our apartment and we have cleaned the car approximately around 4 to 5 minutes. We think it worked pretty well. It's just that, you know, with the accumulated dirt over the past 3 weeks, we probably should have like tried to scrub harder or work a little more on like some of the dirt that's in there, but it's definitely cleaner than it was. So for now, that is good enough. It's our first time together to try it, and there's always room for improvement. If you have any tips when it comes to cleaning a car, please do let us know in the comment below. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe as well if you want more videos about this, or if you have any suggestion for other Tesla related videos, just comment it down below, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.